Imagine something so powerful, so terrifying, that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. Black holes are the most mysterious and extreme objects in the universe, and today, we're uncovering the terrifying truths about them. What happens if you fall into one? Could a black hole devour our entire galaxy? And, are they hiding secrets about the nature of reality itself? Black holes are the monsters of the cosmos, regions of space where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. First predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity, they remained purely theoretical until we captured one on camera in 2019. But black holes are far stranger and more terrifying than we ever imagined. We now know that black holes come in different sizes. The smallest ones, called stellar black holes, form when massive stars collapse. But at the hearts of galaxies lurk supermassive black holes, millions, even billions, of times more massive than our Sun. Incredibly, one of these cosmic giants lies at the center of our own Milky Way galaxy, and scientists believe it may be growing. If you fell into a black hole, you'd be stretched into a long, thin strand of atoms. Scientists call this spaghettification. Black holes can collide and merge, sending massive gravitational waves rippling across the universe. We detected this for the first time in 2015. Some physicists believe black holes could be portals to other parts of the universe, or even wormholes connecting different dimensions. If black holes can bend space and time, could they be the key to interstellar travel? Some theories suggest they might even lead to parallel universes. But here's where things get really weird. Scientists recently discovered something mind-blowing about black holes. Black holes may be leaking information, challenging our understanding of physics. Some black holes may actually evaporate over time due to a process called Hawking radiation. New research suggests baby black holes might have existed shortly after the Big Bang and could still be lurking in our universe. So, what's next in black hole research? Scientists are developing next-generation telescopes to get even closer to these cosmic giants. Upcoming missions may finally reveal what's inside a black hole, or if we can harness their energy in the distant future. One thing is certain, black holes are far more mysterious than we ever imagined. And as we push the boundaries of space exploration, we may finally unlock their deepest secrets. What do you think? Could black holes be gateways to new dimensions, or are they simply the ultimate cosmic destroyers? Let us know in the comments. Want more space content?